Save time and labour when repainting windows and door frames with Dulux Precision Mask and Peel, a water-based liquid masking tape that provides temporary protection from dust, paint and overspray and peels off easily, leaving a clear area underneath. Suitable for glass, stainless steel, laminates and smooth non-porous surfaces, it can also be used as a sealer for bare timber substrates. Prep the surface as you would normally. Dulux Precision Mask and Peel is simple to use. It saves the time and labour of taping and cutting in by hand. Apply your first coat, ensuring it creates an even film. Mask and Peel will adhere to timber as it is a porous surface. If you get some product on the timber, ensure it is smoothed out to provide an even surface ready for the top coat. Mask and Peel can be brushed, rolled or sprayed. With wet-on-wet technology, you can recoat immediately. 2 coats are needed for a good film build, which will make it easier to remove. Allow the second coat to dry fully. It will apply opaque and dry translucent. Test a small area in the middle of the glass by scoring with a dull blade and peeling a small section. If it does not peel easily, you'll need another coat. Mask and Peel can also be used as a sealer on bare timber surfaces. Then prime with Dulux one-step prep. For previously painted surfaces like this, spot prime where required. Then apply 2 coats of Dulux Aquenamel or any appropriate top coat. Ensure your paint is completely dry before removing mask and peel. First score the edges with a sharp blade. Cut a clean edge, especially the corners, then carefully peel the masking film away from the surface. The coating will remain peelable for up to 30 days. Job done. For more product information, go to dulux.com.au.